Here we go, we're back guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how to format that guy and this guy. So of course, starting from the goggles 3, I could just bring that to me, and that's where the SD card starts. I could remove it and do a manual format. Same thing for the Avata 2, but in this case I'm going to show you how we do that precisely. First we turn on the goggles 3, then we move towards the drone, and then finally the RC3 itself. So I'm going to use this cable so that I can see what I'm doing really. So if you're using the RC3, this is probably where you're getting stuck. So we're moving here, then I'm going down to settings, then you go to camera, and then you're basically stuck because the only option we've got here is to choose where we want to store our footage, so internal storage or the SD card. So if you haven't, this is where you want to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Now we need the goggles 3 to do all of this formatting really. So I'm going to use the 5D control. So I'm pressing that once, then I'm scrolling down to settings and confirm settings. Same location we did earlier, so going down to camera, and then I'm going down just where we had storage, but we will have this extra option where we can format, which was missing earlier if you remember. So I will confirm, and then this is where you can choose, should I format the aircraft, the goggles 3, the aircraft. You can just click and confirm. Let's just do this with the goggles 3 at the minute. Then I'm going down, I'm confirming, and then this is all you need to do. Obviously you can repeat this exercise for the internal storage and the aircraft, but just remember, use the 5D. So hope this video was useful. If you haven't, just remember to give this video a thumbs up and then subscribe for more. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.